Hey everybody, my name is Clarinda. I really want you to make use of the premium starter kit that you've just bought from Young Living. I'm so excited that Young Living is here in South Africa, and well done for making the decision for you, your wellness, and for just natural living with the gifts that God has given us through essential oils. So I don't want these oils, your kit that you just bought, to sit down and gather dust. The diffuser that came with your kit is really easy. You connect, plug it in, and I'm just going to open it up quickly because it's really simple. I know some of you bought your kit and you've already done a lot of research. Maybe you even attended a class. Some people did not. I actually had the idea to do this video because of my mom, who's far away, and I needed to show her how to get this going. Very easy. You'll see that there is water in here already. There is a red dot in there that you don't go over. Your diffuser is really meant to disperse the essential oils. It has a metal plate at the bottom that actually vibrates to release the essential oils into the air. And you fill it with, I usually fill it with distilled water or bottled water, not straight tap water. I've had my diffuser for a long time and hasn't developed any caulk or anything like that. It's really strong and durable. Fill it up with the water, and then you want to get started. And you can put up to 8 drops of essential oils in total. 8 drops in here. You don't need more than that. Okay, you really don't need more than that. If you want to mix and match, mix up your oil blends a little bit, my recommendation, and you'll find that this is true, that you want to mix either put single oils here or combinations of single oils, or you put one blend and another single oil in there. You don't want to go for 2 different blends like Valor and Purification together in one. You want to actually experience the effects of these oils, and the better clarity you have and the less sort of compounded effect you have here, the better. So you basically put your drops of essential oil that you want to try, and you turn it on. These babies can run for up to 8 hours. When you first get started, maybe put it up, make a commitment. I want to challenge you to put on your diffuser every single day when you first get your kit. It is one way to ensure that you are developing this lifestyle of using essential oils. It's for everyday people. It's not just for tree hugging, I don't know what image you have in your mind or which category you fit into, but essential oils is for everyone, and we're all learning. I've been using essential oils for 3 years and I'm still learning. I'm not an expert, but you can get started experiencing the benefits of these oils when you actually use it. So use your oils. Your kit came with 10 essential oils, and this is the best bang for your money, guys. If you could buy the oils, singular oils and the diffuser, it would have cost you more. So you made a good decision by buying the kit. It has multiple uses, and I will have separate videos on each of these oils, so look out for them to get you started in using it. But when you first get your kit, the first oil I encourage you to try is what's in your kit, Purification. Purification is a blend, a Young Living blend, exclusive to Young Living, and it has a blend of citronella oil, rosemary, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, and myrtle oil. This is the blend that's in Purification. Pop 8 drops in here and start your morning, diffuse your house, clear the air. You don't need to use candles. You are replacing fragrances in your home with essential oil aromatic benefits as well. It's not just a cool smell. This is going to increase the oxygenation levels in your home, and it will purify your home. I use it a lot. You can pop these in a bicarb of soda, put some drops in this, and you can sprinkle it onto your carpet and vacuum, refreshen your carpet. You can actually also use it in your dustbin as well, and I use it with bicarb in my toilet bowl as opposed to using regular toilet cleaner. You are going to replace the toxins in your home. Get started with this. I love actually putting 6 drops of Purification and 2 drops of peppermint to just give it a little bit of a waking kick. So try that every single day. Use your essential oils to get familiar with it.